Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to speed up your videos using the InShot app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how I make money online. So let's jump into it. First, you have to choose your video section that you want to speed up. You can do this by tapping on it, or you can go and zoom out like this, so you can see all the video sections that you have in your project. Then you can choose it, and after that you will have to swipe to the right, and you will see the speed icon, which is this little icon which says speed. And when you tap on it, here you can speed up your video by sliding to the right, this slider. As you can see, the first section of the slider is from 1 to 2 times speed. Here you can set very specific amounts. This way you can speed up just a little bit. Maybe you want to make your video a little bit faster, but without being obvious that it's sped up. As you can see, this is a very little amount. This is 2 times the speed. And actually in InShot you can go quite to very high speeds. As you can see, this is 10 times, which is very high, and from 10 to 100, this is this short section where you can go to even to 100 times of the video. Now this is only a good choice if you are trying to create time lapses. Maybe you recorded a long video and you can speed up to 100 times, then you will get a nice little time lapse. But with short videos like this, it doesn't really make sense. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.